We got this fine gentleman working on our kitchen. Yes, that be you, my man. Look at Bob the Builder doing what he do.
Working on it. I think it's actually looking pretty
It looks
good.
so much better than the other backsplash. Heck yeah, who won't tell?
See, this is what it comes in.
Yeah.
I'm almost done. I just have this piece and that piece. Working on it.
You're amazing, honey. You did that. He even did the caulking strip part. Hello, friends. How are you? It's a cold day, my friends. Currently -10 or below 10. Please tell me. I want to be a real Minnesotan. Do we say -10 or below 10? Or a real person that be living in the snow? Let me know. Because I still say negative. I want to say below. But girl, negative just feels accurate to me, okay? Yeah, so it's so cold that schools were canceled for both the boys and pretty much everywhere. I heard Sharon texted me and she said that school was also canceled for Chicken Little and Sophie Girl, so she's watching them so Jessica can work. I canceled my workout this morning because it was cold. But I canceled ahead of time because I knew it was going to be one of the coldest days of the season of the winter. But then later on, the sun came out, so I last minute called my lash girl, and I was like, hey, do you have any cancellations? Are you free? She goes, I'm free right now. And I said, well, my hair is still wet, so let me get it together, dry my hair, and then I'll get to you. The only place that I look crazy is to her, and I feel bad, because I don't think she's ever seen me get ready for the day, but I always come at her crazy, like, yeah, but she filled my lashes, and I like her so much. And also, I'm obsessed with this. The tip, oh my gosh, she put me on to new things because I never had anything by Refi unless it was like something in my FabFitFun box that I did not ask for, you know, something like that I didn't order myself. I love it. Gelly Cobb, you are the best. Mind you, my sister is a whole decade younger than me. And guess what? She is 30 tomorrow. If you're watching this, she's already 30. So happy birthday, Gelly Cobb! Like, I was thinking about her on my way home, driving after getting my lashes and nails done. And I was like, dude, my sister is incredible. And let me tell you why. She was one of those girls who didn't care what anyone thought. So she did whatever she wanted to do. And she really taught me to be that type of girl, too. And yet, she's a whole decade younger. And she's teaching me things in life. But one thing that really sticks out to me the most is how resilient she is. Y'all be thinking I'm resilient because I lost my dad, my mom, my 3 cats, all of that. Yes, that's true, I am resilient. But someone beyond that resilience is my sister. Because my sister was in her early 20s when she had to see our dad slowly die of cancer. And still she continued and became a surgical tech. She went to school for that, and she still did that while watching our dad really sick. And then, unexpectedly, our mom passes away. And before, I remember when we were in Hawaii, my sister was worried because she didn't know how she was going to continue nursing school because she needed someone to co-sign. So Justin and I decided to co-sign for her, like, student loans. And it was in Hawaii that I got a call. And we found out that, like, we were approved to be her co-signer. And that was such a happy moment for our family and for my sister and my mom. We were jumping up and down. And Gelly was like, Hawaii is, like, a good luck place for me. And I said, yes, it is. It always is. Kauai is always good luck. My sister is so freaking resilient because through it all, with our mom and our dad passing away, she still finished nursing school, became a whole-ass registered nurse, succeeded in life. She does amazing hobbies. Like, she's incredible, and I just have to give her flowers. And on top of that, my sister is like the finest, the baddest bee you'll ever see. I promise you that. And the thing is, I always tell her, you're so freaking funny and you don't even know it. Just the things that come out of your mouth is ridiculous and insanely funny. She's a whole comedian. She's just like perfect. And I'm so grateful that I have a little sister like her. She's so inspiring. I just have to say nice things about her because I love her. Oh my y'all, since I said the nice things, let me tell you about her when she was young. She used to stress us so freak out. She was, like I said, she do what she want. And she really did what she wanted. But it doesn't matter. People can have those stages in life and still come out of it kicking butt and doing well. So, yeah, I'm so proud of her. It's movie night. These are our snacks with popcorn, of course. And we're having spaghetti for dinner, leftovers, because we don't waste food. I'm trying to get the boys to watch White Fang, but they don't want to. I love that movie about that wolf. I love it. Goopy, you are loved.
He's the biggest thick boy ever.
That's Oliver. He's growing though.
No, he's a skinny boy. He wants tummy rubs.
I know, he's like a dog. He
like
likes
a
tummy
long
rubs.
kitty, like someone. Tummy rubs.
How you doing? Adjusting to our home. We love you. We love you so much, little dude. We really do. You seem so happy here. Are you happy, my baby? Is my baby happy? I love you. I know it's a loud house because you have brothers. But you'll get used to the noise. Yeah, you sure will. They're just happy boys, just like you. Y'all, we're watching Cars for movie night. And I just had to make you so jelly because I'm eating. I'm about to eat Jessica's famous It's It ice cream bars. Oh my gosh. We actually invited the family over on Sunday for lunch. So I'll ask Jessica for her recipe and see if she'll share it. But if she don't want to, y'all, she don't have to. You know how some grandmas have those secret recipes until they pass away and then they share it with the family? Yeah. This could be one of hers. You never know.
Cheers.
Cheers! Look at Justin only having half. I could never. Actually, I was thinking about splitting with him, but I was like, no, I want my own. Yeah. Look who's here for movie night too. My little Koopy. He's making biscuits right now. Watching Cars. And the kids over there messing around. Hi, Ollie Pop. He's making biscuits over there too. Hi, baby. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Koopy looks like he wants to go mess with him. You don't have to bother your brother. Come on, Koops. Come on. Hello, friends. Good morning. How are you? Liam has a game today, a basketball game at 9:30. We are getting ready to go. Currently, it's like negative 18 degrees. We shall see what it will be later because the sun's already coming out. Hello, friends. We're now at the grocery store.
Chocolate chip.
Has anyone tried the strawberry matcha latte? Because I'm so curious. And also the regular one. But y'all, if you know, I love this classic chai latte so much. We got some lunch at Potbelly. I love these chips. I love these so much. The Zapp's ones.
He's being really calm.
Okay.
Purring.
You purring? Okay, let us know, Koopy Whoopsie.
Almost done. Can I get your other foot? Almost done.
What a good boy.
Not like the other cats. He's just
It's okay. Every cat has
trying
different.
to play with it?
Uh-huh. He's trying to play with it. Ollie's doing great too. Okay, Ollie Pop, let us know. You're doing great too. Good boy. I went to the nail salon yesterday too, buds. I unbagged the groceries. Oh, this one's not good, so I will get rid of that. Yeah, but waiting for it to dry a little bit before I put it in the fridge. Oh my gosh, look, I forgot to show you. Justin did our backsplash. I love it. We haven't seen family in a while, so they're coming over tomorrow. And for dessert, I thought I could do some chocolate covered strawberries because everyone likes that. And it's easy. We're having Indian food, so it's not like oopsie, my bad. But it's okay, that works. Look at these strawberries though, they're so big. I miss the California like mango strawberry stand that I would see. It was like somewhere in San Ramon. I would go all the time. Like I love that mango stand. I call it the mango stand because I got mangoes every time. Like I love mangoes more than strawberries, but we got strawberries. We got this for Christmas.
I'm 7.
Game night.
It's impossible for me to do anything.
Hello friends. So Chicken Little ended up getting sick. And so the family's not coming. Sharon's not feeling well. Jakey, he has a little bit of a cough. And so we canceled our lunch with family, we were supposed to have yummy Indian food, and I was gonna make rice, and I have some rotisserie chicken and some broccoli for the kids because sometimes they don't like Indian food, and so, but we try and make them try it, you know what I mean? Because you gotta try it first before you say you don't like something. But yeah, I made chocolate covered strawberries from yesterday, and we're gonna have it now for our little after lunch dessert. We had a frozen pizza for lunch, and it was delicious actually. I wish I had bought more of it because we just randomly bought it at the grocery store and put it in the freezer for like whenever we feel like eating a frozen pizza. And I asked Justin, I was like, hey, do you still feel like Indian food even though the family isn't coming? But like we really wanted to eat it together because we all love Indian food, and I love that his family loves Indian food because Justin grew up on that. And I didn't. And he introduced me to Indian food. But as you know, it's literally like our top 3 favorite food ever. I can't even think of what my favorite food ever is, but of course it's probably Filipino food. And I really like Japanese food. I love Indian food. I love Peruvian food. I love Mexican food. I guess those are my tops because those are the ones that I say out loud. But I really like fish and chips, like straight up like fish that's really good with like vinegar. Oh, I don't know, something about, I like seafood. But also I love a crab boil. So what kind of food is that? New Orleans food? Yeah, so please let me know. Anyways, yeah, we got our strawberries, so let me go give that for my baby. Yeah, I miss the family. We haven't seen them in a while. I don't remember when we saw them last. Oh, I do. Sharon and Aunt Nancy came to Liam's basketball game last week. So, but I haven't seen Chicken Little and Jessica in a long time. I saw Sophia because she came to the basketball game too, so that was nice. Oh, and then Justin and I had our date night. Was it last week or 2 weeks ago? I don't recall when. I think it was last week, and we saw the family when we dropped off the kids. So, but yeah, we still miss them, you know, like we wanted to hang out and just talk about life and just, you know, talk about everything going on. It's really sad what happened to Alex Pretty at the Minnesota protests. He didn't deserve that. I hope he rests in peace. I hope his family will heal from the heartbreak. I hope Minnesota heals from everything going on. It's scary. And I remember sharing how I bring my passport everywhere I go because I'm afraid of ICE stopping me and causing anything, you know? I'm afraid for my safety, being a person of color, living in Minnesota. And I shared that, and someone said something like, you're over-exaggerating. But am I? Because look at what happened. Like, look at what happened today. I mean, yesterday. So I'm not over-exaggerating. Anyways, I hope you all stay safe. And I'm wishing you all the best. And if you didn't know, I did not vote for Trump. I would never. I voted for Kamala Harris. I do not want ICE in Minnesota or anywhere. That's where I stand, and that's where I always stood.